I'm Beth Holland and I'm the founder and CEO of Patchwork Hub. We connect disabled and neurodivergent people to job opportunities with inclusive employers.
My name's Gwendoline Thornton. I'm working on an application that helps with cooking, meal prep and clean-up, specifically for neurodivergent and disabled users.
My name is Marina and I'm the founder of the business called Fast Adaptive Fashion, and we do adaptive clothing for people with disabilities.
My name is Dylan. I'm the founder of Recycle 3D, and I'm designing and making my own recycling machines for plastic targeted at 3D printer waste. But we're doing it in a new way, in a more accessible way where the machines are more affordable. And we're building the business with like a sustainability at the core rather than a caveat.
So I became disabled 4 years ago, and this is when I realized that there is not much clothes for people with disabilities like me. And I just wanted to solve this problem. You need to see me like every time we make a sale and like we need to make a shipment, and I pack everything and I go to the post office, and I'm just so happy that people just buying it and they call afterwards a message and say thank you. That's a proud moment like every time there is a sale. So it's amazing. Yeah.
I started Patchwork Hub because of my own experience of living and working with a disability. I've had to step away from opportunities that I loved due to needless barriers that didn't need to be there, and I'm determined to break those barriers down for others. We've posted thousands of job opportunities and trained hundreds of employees, and the AccessAble Ignite Award would really enable us to get to that next step of our growth. This recognition is extra special because it's coming from a disabled-led organisation. It has been really nice to be a part of a process where my lived experience is sort of seen as a valuable asset rather than something I'm worried about how to bring to the table.
Every time a problem is solved, there's a little bit less chaos. And what I've also realised is in fixing things, you will end up acquiring skills and skill sets no one else will have, which is kind of why I've been focusing on this application, because I've sort of come to the realisation of if I don't do it, nobody else really is. So I've kind of got to do it. And I say definitely my life has been a pyramid of blocks of helping people and being a bit nosy, and then in turn that's helped build something for myself and hopefully other people.